Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Renson's Yard. And quite literally today, as you might have seen from the title and description, I've just purchased my first home. Today I'm going to take you for a tour inside and out, and I'm also going to talk of what this house might need in terms of renovations. At first glance, we can see that the lawn hasn't been mowed this year yet, and that the previous owners also left a few things behind. But the really exciting part is that the roof and siding were redone in 2018. The property itself measures 150 feet long by 100 feet deep. It has the main house, which is 1,060 square feet, a 500 square feet carport, a small garage, and also a few sheds. The back porch has a beautiful view of Lake Temiskaming, and there's just enough vegetation to hide the neighboring homes. Most of the windows appear to have been replaced in the 90s, and along with the siding and roof, will definitely help to reduce the renovation costs. Now let me show you around the interior. The entrance definitely needs a better light source, as do the other rooms in the house, although it's not as noticeable during the day, thanks to the huge windows. The kitchen is a nice functional space, but it could definitely benefit from having a bit more of a pantry area, and also a closet to store coats and boots. I certainly appreciate that most of the furniture and appliances were included with the purchase, which is going to make moving in quite a bit easier. Moving on to the living room, we can see the nice built-in brick fireplace, and also the vintage couches. These will need a bit of a cleanup, but once that's done, they're definitely going to be the focus of this room. We can now make our way through the hallway towards the bedrooms. My intention is to remove the wall that's directly to our right, expanding a bit on the living room. We then move into the master bedroom, which, once again, has a very nice source of natural light. Otherwise, it's a pretty plain space, but it's a decent size. This is the attic access. And now we're going to move on to the main bathroom. One of the former residents of this home had limited mobility, so this is why this bathroom was constructed. Before then, this was a third bedroom, washer and dryer being located in the basement. I do have big plans for this room, but that's going to be for a future episode. Moving on, we get to the secondary bedroom, which somehow managed to be the most worn out room in this home. And around the corner, we have the old bathroom, which I will completely remove in order to expand the secondary bedroom, and also add the closet in the kitchen. Let's now make our way downstairs and go investigate the basement situation. This space is almost completely unfinished, which I'm quite grateful for, as there's a decent amount of unwanted water ingress. Down here, we can see the old location for the washer and dryer. One room, and beside it, the room with the furnace and the water heater. On that far wall, we can see the water pump, and to the left is the electrical panel, and also a window that's been blocked off. The electrical service is 100 amps, so I'll definitely be able to work with that. And here in the corner is where most of the water is coming in from, accumulating in a small puddle. One of the first things that are going to get fixed on this home is the water supply, transitioning from the old dug well to a newer drilled well. And now the natural gas heating system is in sight, and we can observe that it's definitely from the older style, using an actual chimney to evacuate the combustion gases. I will certainly upgrade both of these appliances to newer high-efficiency models, which evacuate through the wall. Last thing we have to look at is this spare room, which has a very interesting orange carpet and a wood-fired heating device. Everything in this room is certainly getting removed. Okay, that just about wraps it up for this tour. I'll make my way out the door and leave you guys with a few pictures of all the spaces. I'm definitely looking forward to sharing this building project with you guys. So as usual, thank you so much for watching.